Good morning, everyone. I'm Rachel. Thanks for joining me in my tiny basement soap shop. Today we are doing a floral soap that I'm calling Prairie Sun. It's going to be just a simple mix and pour into my circle molds topped with a bunch of wildflowers that I harvested and pressed earlier this summer. Now, I've never used this essential oil blend before that I made, so I don't know if it's going to cause it to accelerate because that can happen with florals a lot. So I'm not adding any colors or doing any fancy swirls or layers today. The essential oil blend that I made is Roman chamomile, dark patchouli, and jasmine. And for added floral fanciness, I'm putting in some chamomile powder and a little bit of chamomile tea in place of some of the water. And I infused the olive oil with some yarrow, clover, and lavender buds. All right, let's go give this a try.
Hello, sunshine. Hello, blue skies. Hello, lovely day.
Hello, sunshine. Hello, sky. Hello, white clouds floating by. Hello, cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello, sand and hello, seas. Hello, positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello, happy, hello, free. Hello, you and hello, me. Hello, sunshine, hello, sky. Hello, white clouds floating by. Hello, cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello, sand and hello, seas. Well, hello, positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello, happy, hello, free. Hello, you and hello, me. Oh, yeah! Hello, sunshine, hello, sky. Hello, white clouds floating by. Hello, cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello, sands and hello, seas. Hello, positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello, happy, hello, free. Hello, you and hello, me.
Hello, sunshine. Hello, blue skies. Hello, lovely day.
Hello, sunshine, hello, sky. Hello, white clouds floating by. Hello, cooling summer breeze coming whistling through the trees. Hello, sand and hello, seas. Hello, positivity surrounding everything I see. Hello, happy, hello, free. Hello, you and hello, me. Hello, sunshine, hello, sky. Hello, white clouds.
I love these gently scented little floral soaps. I taught a soap class yesterday and let the young ladies that were in the class put some wildflowers on top of a small batch that I did, so that's what some of these other ones are that look a little bit different. So those were the ones I was unmolding at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you in the next one very soon.